Hello, friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Youth Zone with Sister Aurelia. Today, I would like us to discuss about trees. Trees are very essential and very, very important to our society. They help us in different ways. For example, trees absorb carbon dioxide during photosynthesis and release oxygen. They filter air pollutants such as dust, smoke, and harmful gases like sulfur dioxide. And they also help in providing shade and cool the environment by releasing water vapor through transpiration, reducing the urban heat island effects. Most of us like going to sit under the tree, especially when the weather is too hot for us. And also tree roots bind soil together, preventing a risk of landslides. They also help absorb water, that is the rainwater, reducing runoff and the risk of flooding. They improve groundwater recharge and maintain water cycles. This would have been even more helpful for us, especially here in Kenya last year when the flooding was everywhere. I guess that's why the president had to declare some days public for us to go and plant trees. They also provide habitats for birds, insects, and other wildlife, promoting biodiversity. Trees capture and store carbon dioxide, helping mitigate climate change. Did you know that trees also act as natural sound barriers, reducing noise pollution in urban areas? Aesthetic and mental health benefits are also there, whereby green spaces with trees enhance beauty and provide a calming effect, reducing stress and promoting mental well-being. They also increase property values and can reduce energy costs by providing shade and insulation. We all know that parks and tree-lined streets create spaces for recreation, gatherings, and community management engagement. Actually, I want us to look more into details the role that trees play in improving air quality, and they actually do this through several natural processes. For example, absorption of carbon dioxide. During photosynthesis, trees absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen. This helps reduce the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, contributing to cleaner air and a healthier environment. They also capture and filter pollutants such as particulate matter, dust soot, and smoke are trapped on tree leaves and bark. Harmful gases. They also like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides, and then ammonia through their stomata. They absorb that. And then we also have the ozone. This is done by reducing ground level ozone. Actually, trees do well in that line by improving respiratory health for humans. They also reduce urban air pollution, whereby in urban areas, trees act as natural air purifiers. A single mature tree can absorb up to 48 pounds of carbon dioxide annually and remove significant amounts of pollutants, making cities more livable. They also have cooling effects and indirect benefits. By shading surfaces and releasing moisture through transpiration, trees reduce urban temperatures, cooler temperatures, and they can lower the formation of smog, which thrives in heat, thereby indirectly improving air quality. Let's talk about emission of oxygen. One large tree can provide enough oxygen for several people each day. This is especially important in areas with dense populations or industrial pollution. Some tree species can absorb toxic substances like heavy metals and certain organic compounds from the air or soil, further cleaning the environment. Evergreens, effective in filtering particulate matter, especially in colder months. Trees actually absorb more carbon dioxide during the growing season and are effective in reducing summer heat. You also have to remember that they have some impact on human health. Cleaner air reduces respiratory illnesses like asthma and cardiovascular problems. Green spaces with trees have been linked to fewer cases of premature deaths caused by air solutions. And we also need to look at the challenges and consideration with the choices of trees species that we select. It is normally very important and advisable that we look for our native trees, our indigenous trees. They are more important and beneficial. Overplanting in some urban areas may lead to issues like allergenic pollen and maintenance challenges. So let us also be very careful when we are planting so that we don't plant these things that are being brought up by the GMO that are meant to, kill us slowly. Thank you so much for listening. I remain Sister Aurelia. Please plant a tree in your